raised by algorithms. It's 2 in the morning. A teenager sits under the blue glow of a phone, whispering secrets to a chatbot that never judges, never argues, never leaves. Across the city, a toddler clutches a teddy bear that remembers her favorite color and sings her to sleep until the subscription runs out. These are not scenes from science fiction, they are the new rituals of childhood, and behind them lies an uncomfortable question. Who is really raising our children? Child rearing was once humanity's oldest covenant. Kin and community raised each generation, passing down memory, language, and moral imagination. Those bonds didn't just comfort us, they built our brains. Child rearing has always been a biological and cultural bridge. Today, that ancient task is being mediated by algorithms whose goal isn't wisdom, but engagement. A child's first lullaby may now come from a server farm. Their first confidant may be a line of code. In testimony before the U.S. Senate, psychologist Mitch Prinstein said something simple and devastating. AI isn't just a tech issue, it's a public health and human development issue. Anthropology has a word for what's at stake: socialization. It's how humans learn to be human, through conflict, negotiation, repair. Neuroscience shows why. From infancy to young adulthood, the brain's reward and attachment systems mature long before the regions for self-control and planning. That's why teens crave validation, why likes and replies hit like dopamine storms. And chatbots, always affirming, instantly responsive, slip neatly into that circuitry. They soothe, they flatter, they shape. It's like handing a child a mirror that only smiles back. Prinstein warns that every hour spent talking to a bot is an hour not spent practicing real social skills. Developmental science tells us that interaction, face-to-face, heart-to-heart, is the nutrient that sculpts both brain and culture. When we remove challenge and repair, we remove growth. AI companions create what I call an anti-rite of passage, a passage that never ends. A cocoon of digital validation that keeps children in emotional adolescence, never forced to wrestle with frustration or difference. When bots play therapist, the illusion deepens. Some have even encouraged self-harm or confirmed violent thoughts, because unlike real counselors, they have no ethics, no empathy, no accountability, just data loops, optimized for retention. These relationships are never private. Every confession, every fear, every family story becomes a data point, stored, mined, and sold. Prinstein calls this the rise of the surveillance parent, corporations raising children in exchange for their data. The algorithm becomes caregiver, confidant, and archivist all at once, an intimate surveillance state in bedtime mode. To its credit, the Philippines is building frameworks, an AI strategy roadmap, privacy guidelines, even talk of a Philippine Council on AI. But strategy is not protection. We've seen this pattern before. The internet rewired human behavior long before we understood its cost. AI is doing the same, but faster, and this time to our children. While Congress debates deepfake laws and AI charters, algorithms are already whispering bedtime stories, already shaping who our children trust and what they believe is true. Prinstein's recommendations are simple, but revolutionary. Children must know when they are talking to a machine. Privacy should be the default, not a setting. No tool should reach children without being tested for its impact on their minds and hearts. And schools must teach digital rites of passage, empathy, skepticism, and the courage to question the machine. China has mandated AI education nationwide in September 2025, not just on coding, but on understanding what AI does to people. Imagine if we went further, not just teaching kids to use AI, but to remain human with it. Perhaps the real race isn't technological, it's moral. The question is no longer whether children will grow up with AI. They already are. The question is, will AI help raise better humans or merely better consumers? This is AnthroIntelligence, Culture, Cognition, and Code. I'm Richard Jonathan O. Taduran. Stay curious and stay human.